Today we have a 4405-15 transfer case. Came in for a reseal, but they want to also check it and make sure that everything's okay on the inside. So if I wasn't checking everything on the inside, you go ahead and just pretty much reseal everything from the outside, as long as your case halves weren't leaking. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. 1 3/16 on the nut here. And see if we can get this top off. There's a washer here as well as a rubber seal that goes in there. Check and make sure we're not all grooved up where the seal goes. Looks like we can probably polish that up and be okay. $10mm on the speed sensor, and the magnet, and the motor. And there's another speed sensor behind this motor. This little wire right here is going to have to be undone from in here, so pay attention to where it was. So that you put it back in the same spot. And there's supposed to be a red piece of plastic in here that keeps this these wires locked in, so I'm going to have to go find out where it's at. Maybe it stayed connected to the vehicle connector. So you need to pull that out of there. And then our motor should come off. And our other speed sensor. Thing is really wanting to be Alright, 40 torques on the case bolts. couple ways to tell what transfer case you have. One is the tag here. The other is this tag here. Your case half should come apart. Alright, there's a sleeve that goes between the flange and the speed sensor rotor that's in here. You have access to that when you get your seal out of there. There is a bearing up inside here, so you're going to want to check your bearing. And this bearing here. These love to wear out right here on this case half and down there. Here's our magnet, and there is a bearing here. Goes in just like so. Alright, check our magnet, make sure everything's okay. Usually, dang it, the magnet is fine. This does tend to chew up sometimes, and there are 3 bearings that ride right there. And there's a spring. Alright, get back down on there. Is really hurting today. I don't need this to be jacking with me right now. Alright, where's our lineups? Right there. There we go. Right there, right there. The spring. Then we got the hub. And there's a snap ring right there. Get it underneath it there, and we should be able to get it off. Sounds like we got a bad differential out there.
The video.
Yeah. Why? What you got?
I'm going to show you something real quick. I don't want to interrupt your video though.
That's alright. I can edit that out. And our hub will come up, and our clutches and steels. Or these are one-sided clutches, so we don't have actual steels. And the clutches still look pretty good. You can check them all. Make sure none are flaking or worn down excessively. It all looks pretty good. You have a washer here. And everything looks okay there. Put that back on later. Our speed sensor rotor goes with the deep side down. And our chain will come off now. Or it should. And check our filter here. Looks okay. We'll have to take our pump apart, but I would imagine that it's going to be okay. We'll do that when we rebuild it. And everything feels okay. This bushing is pretty tight, so I would imagine everything is okay right here. But I do need to get this off of there and check it. Magnet. Chain goes with the blue link up. Gear goes with the numbers down. Snap ring here to get this shaft out and to change your seal in your bearing. Still feels pretty good. Like I said, these like to wear out these little guides here. Make sure we're not all chewed up where it goes down onto there. Make sure this is not messed up. It looks okay. Pin. Now there's a snap ring on the front side. You've got to take your front seal out, and then your planet will come out. Everything looks pretty good here. I think we can probably just put a seal kit in it. Snap ring here to get your ring gear out. Usually those are in there pretty damn tight. I wouldn't try to get it out of there unless you just absolutely had to. Let me get the gear off of here. Open the pump up. We'll take a look at it, and then we'll get the seal kit here, and we'll get to resealing it.